Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is a South Bend 10 by 22 lathe. It is a light 10, so it has a 1.5" 8 spindle thread and a 13/16 hole through the spindle. It does have a quick change. All the back gears are in good condition, no chipped teeth. I took it in on trade and I didn't really get much tooling with it, just the 3-jaw chuck. I added a rocker type tool post, lantern type tool post to it. Tailstock has a Morse taper number 2. It does come with the thread dial. But it is a complete functioning lathe, but aside from not having tooling, it does have pretty significant wear on the ways. But if you're looking to get started and don't want to spend a ton of money and you want to South Bend, it's a pretty good deal. The motor is 3-phase. It's 1/2 horsepower ball door, currently wired for 230. Belt change. Half nuts. Cross feed. Longitudinal feed. But overall, I think it makes somebody a good lathe. You're just going to have to find some more tooling for it and deal with some wear. Thanks for looking.